Hello everyone. Sorry, I was trying to adjust my camera and stuff. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. And today we are going to be doing something really exciting. And I'm going to have two people join me today's stream, and for like upcoming streams also. So for today's stream, we're going to be like diving into Codama. But before that, I actually want the others to join first. I don't know what's taking long. But yeah, shout out to everyone for actually being on the stream and live right now. So a bit of introductions. Hi, I'm Tobi, and I'm a software engineer and developer relations engineer at Gaia. I enjoy streaming. I do a lot of open source, and I love decentralized AI, and everything Solana. Um, so yeah, excited to actually be here today to vibe on Kodama, because Kodama is something really exciting that a friend of mine, Alejandro, wrote a blog about, and I was like really excited to try it out and give it a shot to see what it was all about and stuff. So I'm excited to be doing it on stream today with Claire and Emmanuel that will join the stream soon. But in the meantime, yeah, we're still talking about Solana Students Africa. So yeah, go sign up. It's on the screen right there. Go sign up for Solana Students Africa. Just click on the link and go sign up as a student. It's a $10,000 hackathon, 10,000 prize pool hackathon that you can actually sign up for and stuff. So I look forward to seeing your sign-ups and for you to enter the hackathon. Um, I don't know why these guys are taking so long, but let me see if I can ping them somehow. I hope I'm not muted and that everyone can hear me though. Looks like I'm audible. Don't know, but it looks like I'm audible. I can check online also. So I may just stall a bit. Let me just pull up the Kodama blog that we're going to be working with. Okay, Claire just joined. I'm going to bring her up right now. Let me bring Claire up. Yo, Claire,
Hey
what's up?
everyone, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just here vibing and stuff. I was waiting for like you and Emmanuel to join in the stream. So how are you doing today? How's your Saturday? And you should I think you should start with like an intro, and then you can tell us about your Saturday and stuff.
Okay, hey everybody. My name is Claire. I am a content creator in Web3 and also focus on marketing. And yeah, I'm really glad to be here. And how my Saturday has been, I legit just woke up. So that's how it has been.
Yeah, it's not just everybody just I actually just woke up also. Like these streams are always like that. So I just like get up from bed, take a shower and stuff, and then I just sit in front of my PC. I do like every somebody was sending me a funny text. So yeah, sorry, I do like every Saturday and stuff like that. But we're excited to have you come on board, Claire. Claire is officially joining us by the way, so it's going to be on more of our streams and stuff. So Claire, are you excited about Kodama? Did you have a chance to like check it out? Let me try to ping Emmanuel.
Not yet. I was going to check it out yesterday, but I think it skipped my mind. But I am excited to check it out today because I read the description and it was like super interesting, you know?
Yeah, it definitely is. Cause sorry, I'm like turning off my camera. I'm using like my phone as my camera with my PC. So if I switch my camera, everybody will see the entire room, and I need to clean first. So give me a sec. Wait, why is Manu not joining? Uh, let me try to call him. So I have 27 people watching. Welcome everyone.
Welcome, everyone.
Sorry for the delay. Sorry, let me adjust this. Okay. So I think Emmanuel is like on his way. So I'm still trying to reach him though. But in the meantime, I think we can actually just get started and dive in. So
Okay.
Kodama, yeah, this is like my first look also. So I've actually not actually given it a shot also. So I was just um like reading through the blog, read like some descriptions and stuff. And yeah, I was like on stream I would actually get to do it. So I sort of use these streams also to get like a first look on things.
On most of these
Most times also.
projects.
Yeah, exactly. And like build it live and get that experience live. Give me a sec. Okay, so let's dive in. Kodama getting started. So this was written by Alejandro. You can check out his blog. His blog is Sisalem the blog. Wait, is my screen showing that part? I'm showing like a
No, it's
window, so
not.
I'm not exactly. Let me see if there's a way I can show his blog. About so yeah, this is Sisalem the blog. You can literally just check it out online and see his experience, even see things he's worked on. So he's a really great like cracked guy. He used to be at Consensus uh for a long time. He worked at Chainlink also and so many of these like amazing companies. So he's like a really cracked guy. Shout out to Alejandro in the chat. Um so yeah, let's dive into what Alejandro wrote about Kodama because Alejandro has been also like doing a bit of dive and stuff into Solana stuff. So Kodama getting started guide. So let me give you the link also, Claire, so you have the link.
Okay.
Uh,
Because I've been looking for it everywhere and I just can't find it.
yeah. Let's check the private chat. I just sent it.
Okay.
So Kodama getting started guide, a practical guide to Kodama for Solana. You can use Kodama to generate TypeScript and Rust clients from a Kodama IDL. What is IDL? What is IDL? Uh, what is IDL?
Um, I think it's language thingy.
Interface description language. Okay, I just looked it up. Uh, Used to generate code for distributed systems like Cobra. Interesting. Interactive. Okay, yeah, this is in a different case. Interactive data language, but I think it's interface definition language in our case. So, Kodama Against Side Guide, package, Kodama current version reviewed 1.3.1. So I think this was the version it was like working with and stuff. So what it is and what and when to use it. Kodama, formerly Kinobi, okay, is a toolkit for Solana programs that generates client libraries, CLIs, and documentation from a single Kodama IDL interface definition language. Okay, you did talk about it here. So in plain English, Kodama lets you describe your Solana program in a standard JSON format and then automatically generate TypeScript and Rust client code. This is actually very interesting. So to
I know,
interact with
right?
that program. What did you say?
I said I know, right?
Yeah, like bro, like from JSON, then you like generate like TypeScript and Rust code. Um, so wait, let's read further. So it was created with Anchor framework developers in mind. So Anchor is like a very if you're in the chat and you're wondering what Anchor is like a very popular framework that used to write Solana programs and even contracts and stuff like that. So it was created with Anchor framework developers in mind, especially as Solana moved to the new Solana Web3.js v2 Solana kit. Kodama's TypeScript client replaces the traditional Anchor client SDK and works seamlessly with Solana kits. Oh, so I think it like Solana Web3.js v2. The Solana kit Solana kit's new version. The Kodama's TypeScript client thing replaced like the traditional Anchor thing, according to
Anchor.
what I said here. Yeah. So key features, standardized IDL format. So Kodama's IDL captures more program details than a typical Anchor IDL, enabling richer metadata. 60 plus node types covering accounts. This is pretty dope, to be honest. So what I'm seeing here is that like you can have a JSON file that, I mean, there's like a schema of some sorts that has like it just there's a schema with for every JSON file, for every JSON, what am I thinking, for every JSON metadata that you put together in Kodama, and then it has a bunch of nodes according to what they are saying here. So like 60 types of those kinds of like key variable pairs, which is very dope. um Code generation for multiple targets. Out of the box visitors plugins can generate TypeScript clients for Solana kits or Metaplex Umi, and Rust SDKs for from the same IDL. Example: one Codama config can output a TS web client and a Rust client create. I'm actually excited to like try this. All these things we are reading, I'm actually already getting bored. I just want to write the code because this is like very very dope. Like everything we're reading right here. So also, it has a pluggable visitor architecture. That says Kodama uses the visitor pattern to traverse the IDL tree and produce outputs or transformations. Interesting. So you can easily add custom visitors to generate other languages, filter or transform the IDL, e.g., remove internal fields, or produce docs or CLIs.
Oh, wow.
Interesting. Yeah, like it's actually very. This is like mind blowing. Why don't we even have stuff like this in like I think in like I don't think I know any JS package that does this. I mean, there are frameworks and that do like roughly what this is doing right now, but this is dope. Like you can generate CLIs even from like that JSON file, which I really want to see how that works. Anchor integration and conversion. So Kodama provides tools to convert Anchor IDLs into Kodama IDLs. Okay. So if you're already using Anchor, you can plug in your Anchor generator JSON and get a Kodama IDL with optional enrichments. Interesting. So Solana Kits compatibility. The generated TS clients are designed to work with Solana Kits, Web3.js v2, and Metaplex Umi, modern alternatives to the older Coral XYZ Anchor clients and Web3.js v1. Okay. So planned ecosystem features. While currently focused on client code gen, Kodama's design opens the door to auto-generated CLIs. Interesting. Wait, sure. Why currently focus on client code gen? Kodama's design opens the door to auto-generated CLI and documentation. These are not available yet as of version 1.3.1. Support for embedded 9 zeros macros is on the roadmap. So what do you think so far, Claire? Like all these things we've been reading?
I honestly like the fact that it's like new, because I read the part where it said it can produce docs and CLIs, and I went, what? You can produce docs from like a tool? That
Yeah,
is
yeah,
insane,
yeah,
right?
actually.
That's like
Like to
one of
be
my
honest.
favorite things.
Yeah, like somebody even said this is cool. Like, yeah, like to be honest, this is definitely very cool because when I saw the blog, I actually wanted to stream about it. Um, and I actually wanted to no, not even stream. I actually wanted to use it as like for my own thing. But then I was like, let me actually stream about this thing, and I do it like I got to like postpone it over and over again. I was like, okay, I'll just wait to like the right time to use it, and I'm actually glad that I'm doing it on stream because yeah, like you said, this is like it's really interesting, like the claims they've made so far. That the claims Alejandra has made so far, like in the blog, talking about the features and stuff. So to get to try this out firsthand would definitely be like exciting. So yeah, shout out to Kodama, shout out to S Vector for reposting. Um, so let's dive in further. So do you want to like read some parts, like maybe from limitations?
I mean, reading the limitations would be nice because we have amazing features listed out here. What can we not get? That would be interesting to read. Can I go or would you want to go?
No, I'm saying yeah, like if you want to. I was asking if you want to go.
Okay, yeah. So for the limitations, Codama itself doesn't compile or deploy your Solana program. Uh-oh. It operates on the program's IDL. You still use Anchor or other framework to build the program. Some features are in progress. Example, the on-chain IDL registration that lets explorers fetch your IDL and built-in CLI documentation. And built-in CLI documentation generators are coming soon, but not ready yet. Also, Kodama requires an IDL as input. If your program isn't Anchor based and you don't have an IDL, you need to craft one manually or adopt upcoming macros. Oh
Mm.
no.
Wait, why are this still in progress though? On-chain ID registration and built-in CLI documentation generators are coming soon, but not ready yet. Interesting.
So you
When to
actually
use?
need to use Anchor to use this.
Yeah, but like still, yeah, I would still love to like try that out. To be honest, my phone's battery is getting low. How do I plug this? Wait, let me switch my cameras. Give me a sec.
While he's away, I'm just gonna keep reading. When to use Kodama. Use Kodama if you have a Solana program, especially an Anchor program, and you want to quickly generate clients or other tooling for it. It shines in scenarios where you're migrating to Solana Kit, building web backends or front-end dApps that interact with your program, or maintaining multiple programs. Kodama can standardize and speed up clients generation across them. It is ideal for Anchor developers upgrading their stack. It produces a client that works similarly to Anchor's, but on the newer Solana APIs. It is also useful for non-Anchor programs if you supply a Kodama IDL by hand or via Shank, which is Rust Marcos. And
Shank.
when not to use Solana,
Yeah, go
when
ahead.
not to use Solana, yeah, sorry, you can go.
Why not to use Kodama? So if you only need a quick script or two, or to call to wait, or two to call it. Okay, if you only need a quick script or two to call a couple of instructions, using the generated clients might be
And
overkill.
overkill.
Yeah, a few calls with Solana Web3.js or Solana Kit would suffice. Okay. Similarly, if you're already locked in into the if you're already locked into Anchor TS client and Web3.js V1 and can't upgrade, Kodama's benefits diminish, though that stack is becoming outdated. Okay, Kodama is a development tool, not a runtime dependency. You wouldn't use it to send transactions on the fly in production. Instead, you use the code it generated. Makes sense. It's also not a replacement for Anchor's program building features. Think of Kodama as complementary for the client side and documentation. Also, I wanted to shout out Alejandro because Alejandro joined the live
The
stream. So
live
shout
stream
out
on
to
Twitter.
Alejandro. Yeah,
He joined the live stream on Twitter. So yeah, shout
yeah,
out.
yeah. Shout out to Alejandro. Like this is really cool, Alejandro. So we're like trying to use your blog to learn about Kodama. So yeah, thank you for putting this together. So okay, Kodama's benefit diminished. Kodama is development tool, not a runtime dependency. You won't use it to send transactions on the fly in production. Instead, you use the code it generated. Okay, I read that. So ecosystem and compatibility. Runtime environment. Kodama is primarily meant to run in a Node.js environment.
No,
Okay, so if you have greater than or equal to Node 18 recommended as a build time or development tool. Okay, the core library and CLI run on the back end. uh okay, makes sense. No, to generate files, there's no requirement to run a Solana validator or cluster during code gen. Kodama works purely with your program's IDE or JSON. The generated TypeScript client code can be used in Node, e.g. Mocha or Jest tests, and in the browser in Next.js app, for example. So it targets the cross-platform Solana kits and Umi APIs. Uh, Kodama itself, however, is not typically used in the browser. Technically, it is possible to import Kodama via a CDN, but any code generation in a browser would have to present the output to the user rather than write to disk. That makes sense. So module format, the Kodama package is published with both ESM and CommonJS support. That's always very nice to see. This means you can use it with imports in an ES module or via require in CommonJS. The package defines and exports map, so bundlers and node will resolve the correct entry. Tree shaking is supported, yeah, definitely. Tree shaking is something that I like seeing like in modern packages and modules right now. Um, it's supported. It's supported. Kodama's modules have no side effects. It's essentially pure functions and classes. And package.json indicates built-in type declarations. You can simply mark it as a dev dependency to exclude it from production bundles. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So dependencies and peers. Kodama's core has a modular design. The main Kodama library depends on sub packages like Kodama nodes, which defines the ideal node types. Depends on sub package like Kodama nodes. Okay. Yeah, okay. Kodama visitors, base visitor logic, and others. You typically install additional packages for specific tasks. So it's kind of like a plugin kind of system, Lego, like a Lego vibe essentially. So you just like use the right Legos for stuff, I guess. Um, so you can typically install additional packages for specific tasks. Kodama nodes from Anchor to undo Anchor IDL conversion and Kodama renderers. I love that they have like so many of these packages um to actually work with, depending on what you need to do. Kodama renderers JS Umi. Kodama renderers JS Umi Rust. For okay, iPhone JS Umi. Okay, same name. Okay, I guess it's so for code generation visitors. These are optional add-ons. For example, if you only care about TypeScript clients, you might install Kodama Renderers JS and skip the Rust package. There are no peer dependencies that you must install for Kodama itself. However, generated TS clients will expect you to have the relevant Solana libraries like Solana Kit or Metaplex Foundation Umi when you use that client. Those library dependencies are documented by the renderer, e.g. clients from um okay. Kodama's output also assumes a recent TypeScript version for best results. Okay. So TS greater than 4.7 for modern import syntax and stuff. Framework compatibility. Kodama is framework agnostic. So you can integrate it into Next.js or any build setup by running the code gen as part of your build or deploy process. Generated code is just TypeScript or JavaScript, which can be imported into a Next.js app, including necessary context without issue. In fact, one goal is to let you use your program from both Node scripts and React apps seamlessly. Kodama's TypeScript clients work in the browser with bundlers like Webpack or Vite because AnarKit and Umi are designed for browser use. Okay. For serverless or edge runtimes, as long as the Solana networking library support them, Kodama clients can run there, e.g. using Umi on Cloudflare workers. So Kodama's CLI itself expects a node environment. It won't run in serverless. Okay. There is currently no Dino specific support, but given this simple output ESM, Dino will likely import a generated client with minor tweaks. Interesting. So Node or Anchor version compatibility. The Kodama Node from Anchor converter supports supports Anchor IDL JSON from various Anchor versions. Okay, including older 0.x IDLs and the newer Coral XYZ Anchor 0.26 formats. I actually don't know what all of these mean, but I guess we'll find out soon. So if you encounter an older or edge case Anchor IDL, Kodama will still generate a tree, though you might need to fill details manually if Anchor omitted them. The other TS clients targets Solana Web3.js v2, the kits, or Umi by design. They are not meant to be used with legacy Web3 JS v1. If you absolutely need a Web3 JS v1 client, you would stick to Anchor's clients or use a different generator. Kodama's focus is on the modern stack. Got it. Takeaway: Kodama fits into your dev toolchain, Node 18 plus PNPM yarn, and output standard ESM TypeScript code that is compatible with contemporary Solana clients libraries. It's designed to help you migrate to or start fresh with Solana Kit and remains flexible via its plugin architecture. Yeah, exactly what I was saying. So no special environment is needed beyond Node and your program's ID or file. So this is a lot of context. Thank you so much, Alejandro, for that. So definitely did like help break down stuff. So what do you think so far, Claire?
Yeah, like I said, I still stick with the part of saying it's really cool there are a lot of things that were kind of complex for me to like understand first glance, but I'm pretty sure I would like understand it a little better when we start testing it
Testing
out.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel you. Same here actually. I don't completely actually get everything, but I think I get the idea of it. Like, okay, this is what the idea of
Yeah.
what it's going for. So yeah, well, I mean, luckily we're at installation already. So I think this is the time where we actually start testing stuff out. Um yeah, so just give me a sec. You have VS Code, right?
Yes. Do
Okay, awesome, awesome. So let me just pull up my VS Code. Do you have live share?
no. I have not
Uh
set that up, sadly.
Yeah, it's just a plugin. Just go to like extensions and you can install it. Give me a sec. Let me try to create the folder. CD. I need an open source folder here. Or live streams folder. Make directory. Uh, so just check the extension store of VS Code and look for like live share, and use it. Yeah, Alejandro, definitely like it's a really cool blog. Thank you for actually writing this. So, it's because you wrote it that we're able to share it. So shout out to you actually. Hi, Victory Odume. Hi, thank you for joining the stream. Uh, open open folder. So give me Codama. Where's my folder? Live streams. Okay. Okay. So I think I can share my VS Code now. But let me know. Um, wait, I actually don't have live share either. Oh yeah, that's right. He's recently like ported my PC, so I don't have live share also. I guess we're in the same boat. Live share. Wait, what? Okay, I didn't spell it correctly. So it's this one. Let me share my screen to show you. Maybe if you've not like seen it. Window can share VS Code, right? So is this one? Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yeah,
Because it's
exactly.
been
So
loading since forever for me.
oh wait, oh, it's probably like network or something. Somebody said, "What's the extension name?" Live share, live share. So you can actually use live share for like um collaborative programming or something. So real time collaborative program development. You can even chat with live share from one of their extensions that they had. So like while you are programming, you can actually like I mean you could as well just type in what you want to tell the other person in code if you instead of just texting. But yeah, you can there's actually a feature they have that allows you to text the other person as a message. But if I'm trying to tell the other person something, I can just tell them, hey, I can just type it in like plain text. Hey, look at this part or something like that. But yeah, so that's the extension thing. So I'm going to
Okay.
share.
I mean,
Okay, awesome. So I'm going to share your code now. So that code is what you actually use to like join the live share. So you click on the extension. When you click on the extension, you see join instead of share, read and write. Just click on join and then check the private chat. No, or just click on the link. I sent you a link in private chat. Just click on that link. I think it should take you there.
oh, I can use it on my browser.
Wait for you. Didn't know that. But yeah, if you click on the link,
That's
it should take you to
interesting.
your. It should write it to your VS Code though. Did it route it to your VS Code?
No, it's just on my browser. Okay. Okay.
So you're in now. You're in now.
Trying to redirect myself to VS Code.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Or okay, wait. Another option is click on join. Then like it should bring like a pop up in VS Code. So just take the
To
link and
paste the
paste it
link.
there. Yeah, paste the link there. Yeah, exactly.
We're in. I hope.
Okay, I've not seen you join yet. I'm still looking.
Still loading for me.
Okay. It's your name will pop up when you join. But while
Okay.
that is happening, what Alejandro says to follow. Okay, I just saw you join. Okay, you are in.
Yay!
Nice. Awesome. So live share promotion done. So yeah, you can also type in the terminal also. If you open up your terminal and type something, it
It's
would
gonna
like
show.
yeah, it will ask you to request like collaboration access. So I can actually grant you access to the terminal also, but you have to open and type something first, so that I'll see it on my end. So technically, I remotely using my VS Code right now.
Oh.
Yeah,
Uh, what will I type? Can you see anything? Did that?
not yet.
Okay. Request. Okay. I need to
Okay.
request that.
Yeah, I just granted you access.
All right.
So let's go back to Alejandro's blog. Now I'm going to look for a better way to share my screen here. I think I should share my entire screen, but the screen is like huge. So I want to see if there's a better way to do this. Or should I use this screen here? I mean, I could technically just use this screen. So I have like three screens right now. So I'm trying to like choose which one. I think I'll use the third one, the second one, actually. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm currently on my laptop screen. So it's kind of like the right shape and size. So I just need to bring this Codama blog here.
Yeah.
Move
So
to
Alejandro just said you probably want to use the Codama CLI.
okay. Let me come on.
Okay.
Wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Uh, so let me check the comment again. Back to StreamYard. So you said you probably want to use the Codama CLI, npmjs.com for the CLI. Okay, so doing it like, let me go to npm.com. So yeah, apparently Arc kind of sucks, to be honest. So it just kicked me out of my own stream because I tried to close a tab on the second screen.
Oh
Um,
no.
yeah, so like everybody may have to try to rejoin the stream. But yeah, so let me retry with what Alejandro said because I can't see that comment again. But let me retry. So you said to
Let
use the
me
Kurama
send.
CLI, right?
Yeah. Sent. I just sent the link through. Okay. Wait. I sent the wrong thing. My bad. Through the private chat. I think you can.
Oh, let me check. Oh, okay, you found it. Cool,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, this is the one. I probably want to use the Kodama CLI. It's an easy way to run Kodama on your project. Basically, you need a basic Rust program, then run the CLI, and Kodama will do the magic. Okay, dope. So let's check out the CLI. So to use the CLI, all we need to do is do I need to install like globally though? I mean, it's going to be like the CLI. So I need PNPM to install Kodama and then init it. And then I can I can even use like a GUI-based Kodama configuration file. And I can share the GUI-based Kodama's installation file and stuff. Mm, oh, this is dope. So relative to like local visitor module and stuff. Um, run your Rust followed by the JS and Rust script. Okay, wait. Run your runs before your programs before visitors followed by the JS and Rust script. Yeah, okay, that's tripping. So let me install Kodama. Do I have PNPM though? I don't think I have. I've not installed that many stuff on this PC. So I'm going to bring my terminal here also. Uh, can you see my terminal?
Yep.
Okay, great. So let me try to. I think I need to install PMPM first. So I'm just going to search PMPM and then install it live. So yeah, this is a bonus stream for you if you haven't installed PMPM. Imagine doing a stream on PMPM where it's like how to install PMPM, and then you just stream for like 2 minutes, and then you just like end the stream. Okay, let's install PMPM. Okay, okay, globally. I hope my network is good. Oh wow, that was quick. That was actually surprisingly quick. Uh, okay, so I guess Nigeria didn't happen. So PMPM install Codama. So CD live streams. So by the way, the terminal I'm using currently is called Warp. So Warp is a really cool terminal if you're looking to like explore AI terminal and like just extremely cool terminals. I'm going to CD to Codama test now. So Alejandro said to use this to install the CLI. But wait, I want to clarify something though, because according to his blog, we can install Codama installer packages like this. If you use the Codama, okay, if you prefer to use the Codama CLI tool, which provides a convenient Codama command, install the Codama CLI as well. So I guess it doesn't spoil anything if we just install it in that same file, in that same directory. Also, why is it telling me that it doesn't? Why is the PNPM showing red? Guess we're just showing red for no reason. Okay, so we're installing via the CLI now. Thank you all for like reposting the stream. Shout out to Divine. Shout out to Newbie. Thank you so much for reposting the stream. So I'm trying what Alejandro said. I said it's an easy way to we're trying to CLI to like run Kodama and stuff. So it's recommended to install the CLI locally as a dev dependency rather than globally. Okay. So thank God I didn't do that. So that your project always uses the correct version under version control. So once installed, you can run it via your package manager. Run it via your package manager, e.g. npm Kodama init. So we can just do this. The CLI will help scaffold a config file and run code generation. More on this below. Interesting. So let me bring my VS Code to the screen also. Oh, you already ran it? Oh wait, I thought you already ran it.
Nah.
Okay. Because I saw like So let me run this in the terminal now. Kodama init. So it's asking me where is your IDL located? So it supports Kodama and Anchor IDLs. I actually don't have any idea right now. So but let's see. Let's read further. Let's read further what Alejandro says. So version pinning. Kodama follows Semvar, yeah, as it should. Version 1.3.1 is the latest stable release. Is that still the case though? Oh, there's a version 1.3.3 now. So they push like a patch or two other patches rather. Wait, I'm trying to remember Semva. Semva is like first one is major, middle one is minor, and then the last one is like a patch, right? I think I'm right. Right? Or isn't that what Semva is like? Claire.
I'm trying to look that up.
Oh, okay. I think that's what Semva is. So yeah, okay, I think I
Major,
was right.
minor, and patch. Yeah.
Yeah. So they push like two other patches. So there's been no like major or minor release. So I think we're okay to like follow along with the with what Alejandro said. So Kodama follows Semva for its packages. So version 1.3.1 is the latest stable release as of this writing. Yeah, I stated it there. So it's generally safe to use a carry carry range. So it is so that it's just like goes up to get minor updates and patches. Okay, if you want to avoid any changes, pin the exact version. Know that some sub packages may have independent version bumps. For instance, Codama CLI might be 1.2.x, Y core is 1.3.x. This is normal as features are rolled out gradually. So always check the release notes when upgrading major versions. For production use, lock your dependencies with PNPM lock or package lock. So this is yeah, this is always important for any project you're working on. If you're out there watching the stream right now, remember to always like value the vibe that's bond.lock, package lock, and yarn.lock, pnpm lock bring to your programs, because it helps your life, to be honest. So just use lock files and it helps your project. Shout out to product model for reposting the stream. Um, so prerequisites: Kodama requires Node.js. It does not require any specific build tools beyond that. So if you are generating TypeScript, you want TypeScript 4.x available to compile the outputs. So obtain an IDL. If you are using Anchor, you should have Anchor installed to produce the JSON that we need. Okay. Otherwise, ensure you have an IDL file ready. So no other system dependencies like Rust or Solana CLI are needed for Kodama itself. It works at the JavaScript level. This is dope. So engine compatibility, the package.json for some Codama packages indicates a minimum node version of Node 18 as they leverage modern JavaScript features. So using Node 18 plus will guarantee compatibility. If you try to use Codama with an older node like 14, you may run into syntax issues. I don't think I've ever used Node 14 for anything, to be honest. I've used Node 16 because then I started like doing like actual programming instead of like vibing. It was like in 2020 two-ish, like later in the year in 2022. So the version that I was using for most of my installations then was Node 16.
It
So
was like
I don't
one
think
of the
I
higher ones.
yeah, Node 16, like that was what I used like a lot until like some packages are like, yeah, bro, we can't do this anymore. So I had to switch to Node 18 that I was now using later on. So I don't think I used Node 14 ever. So you may run into syntax issues. Like this makes like a lot of sense. So after installation, you're ready to use Codama either via CLI or through code. In the next sections, we'll walk through a quick start example and then dive deeper into configuration. So Alejandro said something else. So it's like before going into Codama commands, you will need Anchor and a basic Rust program.
Yep.
Basically, Codama will generate the types and client functions you will use in JS coming from your program, but you need an Anchor program. Okay, interesting. Uh, into Codama idea and generate TypeScript client for it. Okay, so I think you already said it here in this your Hello World section. So let's see. Um, this example assures you already have an Anchor program. Okay. So you didn't. So we need an Hello World Rust program. Uh, so let's go generate an Hello World Rust program, I guess. So I think we can go to the Anchor website for this. Anchor Solana. So on Anchor, do we have a quick start? Yes, we do. Local development. So now to build Solana programs, blah 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 blah. For detailed instruction, go to the installation page. So on the installation page, now we have to install all the dependencies. So this is a new PC, so I'm going to be actually doing a fresh installation. So I think I should end this. Like I should not in it yet. Wait, how do I close?
I think Command
Uh
C.
oh yeah, thank you for that. I was trying control the actual control. Uh, so cd backpack cd. So let me install this now. I'm trying to install Anchor on my PC now. So it said the ideal is like ABI in Solidity. Oh yeah, that makes sense actually. So the ideal is generated from your program by Anchor. Kodama takes it and generates a better one. Actually, this is like a very good analogy that I gave you, um Alejandro, because let's look at ABIs for example. ABIs Solidity. Wait, okay, I'm sharing the wrong screen. Wait, why is still
I think I can
why is
just
arc?
read it out from my end.
Okay, okay, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Hold up, it's loading. Okay. Contract. Contract application binary interface is a standard way to interact with contract in the Ethereum ecosystem, both from outside the blockchain and for contract to contract interaction. Data is encoded according to its type, as described in this specification. The encoding is not self-describing and thus requires a schema to order in order to decode.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So that's exactly what an ABI is. And when you deploy contracts a lot, especially like with Solidity, you get to like interact with ABIs a lot. And even in ABIs, you get to like maybe functions, parameters, types, and stuff like that in like ABIs for that are together with whatever contracts you've written or compiled or stuff like that. So so yeah, like this is a very good analogy that Alejandro gave, comparing the IDL to like ABI. It kind of gives a lot
ABI.
of clarity now. So and now it makes sense as to why you need an IDL and an initial program, because without your program, it kind of seems like Codama cannot do anything. So um so yeah, I think installation is complete here. Let's go to the next step. So after installation, you I should see an output similar to this. I did see that, right? Yeah, I did see that. So install dependencies, if I need to install Rust and stuff. Interesting. Uh okay, individually, if you actually want to do that individual, if you actually wanted to do that individually. But I did all of this on like with that one CRL command. So I don't think I need to do all of this. So local development, let's dive into this. To verify Anchor's installation, we can just do this. Yeah, we have the Anchor CLI now. And yeah, expected output. So getting started, I can just init a new Anchor project. So I'm going to cd to live streams. Anchor init my project. Wait, why is it thinking? Yeah, run it. So yeah, uh, okay, Yarn is not installed on my PC. Um okay, yeah, I can just make um I can just make warp do all of these things. So so yeah, warp is a really cool terminal and stuff to use. Okay, so it's actually like doing thinking, and it's going to like do everything for me. So let me just like keep reading what it says and responding in the right way. So now run this command again. Okay, now it's installing the Anchor project. So I think this Solana students banner is blocking it. So maybe you can't see that part of my screen. But let me finish installing my Anchor project and I'll like show that part. Um so we've installed our Anchor project, and yeah, we have all of these things now. Okay, great. So Warp basically did everything that I wanted to do for me. So I'm going to cd it to my project. So now let's ls. So that we can see that we have our Anchor program, our Anchor project already here, and it comes with the default program that says greetings from uh yeah, okay, just cause like CTX or program ID. So greetings from the program ID, a default TypeScript test file, um build we can build the program and test the program and stuff like that. So let's see what program we actually have here. I'm going to open a new VS Code window, and I actually want to show the Anchor program. So those live streams. I hope Emmanuel is okay, because he actually didn't respond. I need to go and check in on Emmanuel and see if he's okay and stuff. But yeah, so we can see. I hope you can see my screen though.
Yep.
Okay, great, great. Yeah, so we can see like the default Rust program here that just says greetings from CTX or program ID and stuff. So let's see if we can like run this to just get a default build the program. I can test the program also. So like if I did Anchor test to test this program for me, right? Since I'm in the directory, or do I need to like specify anything else? By default, the Anchor atomic file specifies the local net cluster code test automatically. Okay. I can deploy to DevNet and stuff like that also. This is actually running like tests right now. But will it print something I'll do? Okay, this is downloading something. Or is he uploading something? Shout out to like the 150 people in the chats that are watching on right now. I know some people are watching on LinkedIn that we cannot see, but shout out to all of you that are streaming right now. We have like over 150 people streaming us. Um so so nice. You can run the command Codama commands inside there. It's probably building the program. Okay. Alejandro is really guiding us through like this entire thing. And yeah, it's probably building the program. You can run the Codama commands inside. Oh wait, we can just use the CLI directly to just run this right now. Is that what you're saying? But if we didn't do a global installation, wouldn't that like break stuff? Or do we need to install Codama inside this place? Oh, I think we need to install Codama inside the Rust project.
Yeah, because
Uh,
like when you were actually installing Anchor on its own on a different project, I was so lost. Like, are we not supposed to be working with Codama? Are we not
yeah,
supposed to have the Anchor CLI in Codama?
yeah, I think you're right
IDL,
actually.
sorry.
Yeah, the idea. Yeah, I think you're actually right to be honest, because we could also like link to the directory because it looks like, for example, look at this line of code in this script here. You can actually just require to target what's it called, the program's JSON, but I think that's going to be like super stressful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's just go
Okay.
the easier route and
Yeah.
run
Let's do the
Codama
easier route.
in.
So thank you, Alejandro. Like actually that was a good that was a good realization, Claire, because um yeah, actually, you should have said it then, because I was thinking of. I was actually also confused also, like, because I didn't know what I was doing. I was just installing random stuff. So, so let me just close this window because I don't think we're going to use this.
And share
Uh
the new Rust program.
yeah, we are using this new Anchor program now to like run it. So it's downloading a bunch of stuff though. Like this is a lot of packages and dependencies. But while those are installing, so thank you, Alejandro. So Alejandro said Kodama is like an extension for your Anchor program. Need to add that to the blog. Thank you so much, Alejandro. So now we are going to like create a program, a generation script now in our project. So we're going to make a file. But wait, first I want to confirm that this file actually exists and that we have it. So it says inside the targets folder, there's an IDL and there's a my program.json. So let's look for that. Is there a target folder anywhere? Okay, this is one. There's an IDL folder. Oh, we found it.
Our project.
Yippee. Uh, yippee.
I don't have access. Please share the file
What'd
to
you say?
me. I don't
The
have
file?
access.
Oh shit, yeah,
Yes.
that's my bad. Yeah, I need to grant you what's it called? Live share access for this window because that other window has been closed. I just sent you to your chat, to the private chat. Check it out.
All right.
Thank you, Alejandro, for actually spotting that out. And this is what a typical my project.json looks like. Everyone in the chat. So we have the address, just like an ABI, like you said. The metadata that talks about my project, the name, which is the name of the project we created already when we're setting up Anchor, if you remember. The version spec, even. Wow, that's nice. Description created with Anchor, and then name initialize. I think initialize is coming from a program here. Oh, this is really cool. Look at the initialize that was in our that was a Rust function in our my project mod. I don't know what is mod. I'm still learning like a lot of Rust, so I'm trying to figure out what mod is. So I think mod looks like, from what I see, I mean it's not returning anything. So mod looks kind of like an interface from what I see, and it's using a super. So is it calling like a class somewhere? It looks like an abstract class to me, or an interface kind of. So so yeah, let's go back to that. Let's go back to the ideal my project.json. I'm just going to put it on the side here. How can I close Copilot? Is there a command for it? Somebody taught me the command one time. I don't remember. Can't remember it again. So yeah, you can see the name initialize here, which is the function we had here, actually being here also. And there's these discriminator things which I'm not sure what they are. And then there's accounts here and arguments also. So initialize only takes context as an argument. And if somebody's calling me, maybe Emmanuel, give me a sec.
And to actually like start the Codama program, we would have to create a generate clients file that would then reference the program, the what's it called again? Um, the project we created in under programs. Yep. I gonna try doing that. JavaScript. I'm not sure where this file is supposed to go, so I will just put it in the general folder. Generate client. Wait, okay. Rename. Just going to copy this and put it in there. Hi,
So I
Tobi.
just Yeah, hi Claire. So I just heard from like Emmanuel's mom. So apparently he's actually like on his road and on the road and stuff. So
Oh
but yeah,
no.
I think yeah. So I'll try to reach him like post stream. So but let's like wrap the stream up by testing out Codama. I need to go and like make some calls after the stream. So yeah, you were saying, sorry I cut in. Sorry, what were you doing?
Yes, I was just following the commands from the quick start hello world from the documentation, and I just
Okay.
created the generate clients file and pasted the code for that file. So now all we have to do is run that script. Uh, hmm. For some reason, I can't see the target folder on my end. That's weird. Right, target. Tobi, are you here? Sorry for the ideal. I can't see the target folder on my end, so if I try running this, it would probably.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. Emmanuel called me like with somebody else's phone now. Sorry, everyone that is watching. A lot of stuff is actually happening in the background, but I mean, I don't think I should say it on stream. So there's some stuff going on. So uh yeah, I was still gonna like I need to go and like checking on Emmanuel post stream. But yeah, so you said you could not see the target folder.
Yes, on my end.
Oh yeah, it's because it's like a hidden thing. So
Okay, okay.
I think live share is not sharing it as part of the things that can you see this door anchor folder, for example?
No.
Yeah, I think all these files that are grayed out, you will not be able to see them. That's a good security thing, to be honest. So I think they're just not sharing it on purpose.
Okay, so I guess I
So
can just,
yeah,
and I also can't run commands in the terminal. That's weird.
wait, you should be able to type something. You need to request access first, though.
I did request access the last time, but for some
No.
reason,
It's a different ID now. I mean, it's a different instance now. So you need to request access again. Then I'll grant it. I didn't see your access to. I didn't see your request, though, rather.
okay, let me try getting. I don't know how to open my terminal. Wait a
Just
second.
press Command J or something
Come on, try. Okay,
and type something.
well, I can't do
Uh,
that anymore for some reason. So I think you
Interesting.
can just run the generate client on your end and see if that works.
Okay. Okay. Did you create the script already? Oh,
Yes,
nice. So okay, you link to target IDL. Yeah, the directory is correct. So all we need to run right now is so we just need to like run this script right now according to Alejandro. So he said this script does the following: it imports Codama score functions, reads an anchor IDL JSON, and produces a
and
Codama
produce a
representation
customer representation
of
of
your
your program.
program. Then it accepts the JavaScript rendering visitor, which writes out a TypeScript or JavaScript client into the client's JS SRC generated directory. After running, you should see a success message and find new files. So there's a client's JS that was existing here. How come I can't see it?
I can't see
JS
it either.
SRC. Client's JS SRC. Client's JS SRC generated. So I think maybe it's a new folder that will be generated somehow. But first we need to run the script. Node generates client.js. So let's run the script.
Let's get it. I'm excited.
What? Oh
I
yeah,
can't find one.
we didn't install Codama here, right? Already. So we installed it in that other one. So we need to like, do
Oh,
this
how did
again.
I forget that?
Okay, let's install the CLI here.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, you're doing that already. Okay.
Yeah. But wait, maybe if you I don't know. I don't actually know how to share terminal access again. Maybe it's something I can do from my end. Mm. Oh yeah. You can read my terminal. Okay, you have read only access. Okay, now I can make it
Yes.
read and write. Now can you write
Oh,
stuff now?
okay. Yes, it works. Woohoo! Let's go.
Okay, so wait, what? I just installed Codama though. So why is it telling us that you can't see Codama?
Requires that project.
It's saying the module
Interesting.
not found. Package.json. Oh, do we have to init Codama?
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you do that.
Yeah, I'm looking for the command. I think this is it. It's a scaffold the config file. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, but you installed the CLI, but you need a different package. So we need to install nodes from Anchor and Codama renderers. Wait, we're running Codama init to do that for us too. Yeah, okay, yeah. So you said to use this if we are using the CLI. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So where's your IDL located? So my IDL is located in I think I can just copy that directory.
Target.
Yeah. I'm looking for that script actually. I just want to carry the directory and just put it there. uh generates JavaScript clients, right? According to what he said. We need JavaScript clients, right? Uh
Yes.
so where should JavaScript code be located? Yeah, just use the default directory. Where's the Rust client create located? I don't think we have a client create right now. Um I think I'll just leave it as clients Rust. Where should the Rust code be generated? Yeah, just put it there also. Install dependencies, yes. Okay, now it's installing the packages Alejandro talked about,
Yeah.
which is JS. Okay,
Renders.
but yeah, but I'm not seeing the renderers though. Okay, renderers. Okay, I see it now.
Renders is
Renderers there.
installing, but Anchor is not.
No, we already have Anchor, but the nodes from Anchor one, is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's what I was trying to say.
Okay, okay. Wait, but let's try the command again. See if it runs like the script again, rather. If the script
Okay.
runs, then that
Okay.
yeah, you're
Still
seeing
an
it. Yeah.
error.
Oh, it's still an error. Cannot find module Codama still.
Mm,
Wait, let me check the package.json. Is that a problem from here? I also cannot find the Codama module right here. Oh, it's trying to call this Codama. That's where the issue is coming from. It's trying to call that Codama. Yeah, we need to install Codama itself. Yeah, it's trying to look for this Codama, but it's actually not seeing it. So we need to install Codama. Actually, I don't think any of the things here would help. So let's just do it from npm. So since we're using pm, so let's install Codama and get it. Okay, so now let's try again. It should work this time. Okay, yeah, you're trying to run it. Yeah, let's go ahead.
okay. Still an error.
Why?
Why? We
Okay,
need
okay,
notes
okay.
from
Okay, it's a
Anchor.
different error. It's a different error. So yeah, let's do that one. That's the one you were talking about. So let's just pm
Yes.
install that also. Are you typing the command? Okay,
No,
let me
you
type
can
it.
go. Okay.
Let's try again. Yeah, try again, try again.
Okay.
Come on.
Why? We literally just installed this.
Wait, isn't this scaffold supposed to install everything for us though? Like it kind of seems like we're doing a lot of work right now, like tracking each package. But the only one missing is renderers. So so Alejandro is actually following like actively. So the only one is remaining is renderers. So yeah, just copy it from there. Yeah, exactly.
Now we hope it works.
Fingers crossed. Okay, try again.
Okay. All right. Oh my
Come
gosh.
on. Come on, bro.
Okay, cannot find the module target ID of my program. Why is that not
Interesting.
working? But it exists.
They're in the same directory, right? Just to confirm. Targets and the script. Okay. So
Yes.
collocation is set up properly. We have a target, we have an IDL, and we have my project
My
instead of my
project, not program.
yeah. Yeah, that was a mess up. So you can try again.
Okay. Let's
Finally.
go. Yes.
Okay. Okay, it did generate the,
Mm,
the directory for us. So we have a client's directory now. Instructions is inside. Okay, clients JS SRC directory with it generated. So like 3 folders. Instructions is inside. We have an
okay.
initialize.ts file. Okay, this is a bunch of file random code. Then we have a programs file. But why is that thing showing red though? It's showing red for this Solana kit. We do need to install Solana kit also for it to work. I think it was one of the things we read that we need to install Solana
Yeah,
kit.
yes, we need to install it because it said cannot find module for Solana kits.
Honestly, somebody needs to develop a CLI that does all these things for you. And Alejandro, maybe you can run it for us. Like you can run it back. So you just have something
It
that does
saves like
everything.
the stress because we had to manually install like 5 dependencies. Like
Yeah, like
that's a lot.
Alejandro can run it back for us. So wait, let me search. So I like it. He said he'll work on that for sure. Nice, nice. Looking forward to that, to be honest. So let's install Solana Kit. Oh shit! What did I just type? Why did PMPMI Solana Kit? So now that we have that generated, let's see what the blog says. Okay, so yeah, okay, we already saw all of this. Uh,
To verify it, we need to. Oh wait.
if you prefer to write the
Okay.
generator in TypeScript, okay, if you don't want to write this script, you can also have the TS version and then write that also. But we've already done that, so so running the client to verify, let's use the generator client to call an instruction. Suppose your program has an instruction initialize, you can actually in a node script. So in a node script or test, you could actually you could actually run this script actually to or what are we calling here though? Okay, you call the instructions folder and then you can put it on a port and like initialize this. Thank you, cargo dev. So but what you just got is a client that you can import in your React app and start interacting with the program. Oh, for real? So do we just like so we can start like on a separate port like this, or do we? Oh, so now you provide project setup examples of how we can actually use what we just generated. I think. Okay, no, this is us using program Codama programmatically. Wait, I'm trying to. The thing is that the blog was thought for this program right here. Okay, Solana Foundation, GeoJito airdrop. How do I copy that link? Uh, I need to go to YouTube. Let me go and get. Okay, I need to go to Twitter to go and get it.
No, I think you can just copy it from the comments. I just did.
Yeah, that's the thing. On my own side, all I see is like if I want to show you a comment, StreamYard, please fix. Um,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
but
I'm
on
just
your own
gonna
side,
send it to you then,
yeah,
so you
okay, thank
can
you.
have access.
So
Okay.
basically, it explains you could run that example. Oh, so you're saying we should run that example instead? Okay, to see what you're saying. Okay, cool. So I just opened up the templates. Can I share this? Okay, you can already see it. Um, so the example GeoJito airdrop, Solana Merkle airdrop distributor, Geo plus Codama plus Anchor. Because you need a front end to use the functions you just generated. Oh, okay. Mm, okay. So if we just I'm trying to see. Oh, so we can just quickly set this up, and then generate the type install. Wait, give me a sec. Someone is calling.
All right. These functions are just generated. Um,
Yeah. So
just
sorry again. I had to like take a call. So it said because you need a front end to use the functions you just generated. Somebody said Alejandro should just join the stream for you. Alejandro, if you are free to join the stream, I can just give
that
you
would
an
be
invite.
great.
Like, yeah, let's bring Alejandro on board. Should I send you on Discord, Ali? I can just give it to you on Discord and you can join the stream. To be honest, that's if you are free, of course. Let me send to you on Discord. Alejandro, I just
Yay,
sent you
he's
the
coming on board.
link. Let's do it. Let's do it. So Alejandro, I just sent you this the link on Discord. And you can join it. Okay, so maybe Alejandro can help us out of this because I'm trying to figure out
Same.
how to.
I am so lost.
I'm actually kind of like very very lost to be honest. Okay, so should we wait or just?
Yeah, I think we can just wait till he joins
Okay,
in.
just popped in. Nice, nice, nice.
Wait
Let's
a second,
go.
Hey,
because right
Alejandro.
now I'm facing the like Google or stuff like that. Can you listen to me? Yes.
What'd you say?
Can you can you hear me?
Yeah, we
Yes.
can hear you loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Nice, nice. So
So
yeah,
welcome to
I
the stream. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Thank you, thank you. I think yeah, because at the end, Codama is made for anchor programs. So this will generate the client functions that you can import into your React application or mobile application, whatever you want to use that is made using TypeScript or whatever. So you'll need a front end to run these functions that you just generated. So basically, it takes your program, it builds it, and then generates this IDL, which is basically like the ABI. I don't know, for the people that has experience working on Solidity or stuff like that. This is like I think you mentioned that. Um, like the schema of the program with all the functions, variables, and all that that you can call. So this blog post that I published here was basically for that example that I was building. I have to add that into the beginning so people can understand that this will work specifically with that examples that we have. But yeah, I think you can just run the command. I will just guide you through. Like you
Yeah.
can clone
No.
the example. You have
Okay, I
that
should.
command there.
So I should like I should clone the Give me a sec. Uh. So I should clone like
The
the
airdrop
project itself.
file.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So this one. Where's the clone command? It was right here.
the quick start.
Um,
Um,
it was right here just now. But they did give a command to create the
yeah.
setup.
That
Just this.
example.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So cd. So I'm just going to clone this.
this will be fun. I think it's like the first time to that we will run this example live, so we'll be good. We'll be good.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for joining and being on. But like, it actually means a lot because yeah, I was like, yeah, where do we go from here?
Yeah. No worries, no worries.
Shout out to
It,
Alejandro in the chat. Alejandro joined in. Like, shout out to him. Like, he's an OG. He's somebody I look up to so much. So yeah, I'm actually excited that he's on stream right now. Wait, how do I remove this? Media assets, banners. Yeah, I need to hide it so that Alejandro's face shows up.
oh, you have to enter the project name,
Okay.
whatever airdrop project program.
Okay, so it's cloning now.
Yes.
Starting via npm. Okay, so this is going to take some time, apparently.
It
Uh,
in this specific case, I mean, I automated it all. So when we have some like pnpm Codama generate command right there,
yeah.
and
Okay.
Yeah.
this will run all this code for you. So you will
Oh,
do that, and you will have all the
all of
generated
it.
from
Oh,
Codama
that's dope.
already.
Oh, is that like was that? Did you write that later on in the blog? Because I didn't see that.
Yes, because the blog
Oh,
was made to basically understand for myself how I
okay,
can
okay, okay.
make this. But because of that block, this command exists basically. So
Oh,
uh,
nice, nice.
yeah. So you can give it a look. That pnpm Kodama generate first. Yeah, I think you have all the. That's like these three commands: Kodama generate, airdrop setup, and airdrop init will be the only three commands that you need to run this example.
Oh,
So yeah,
dope. Yeah, that's like
let's give it a
super.
look.
That's a huge help. Sorry, I'm trying to like
Yeah,
remove
and
all of this. So
nice.
Kodama generate. Wait, what?
Okay, do you install the dependencies?
So, Toby, you're making the same mistake you made the last time and creating this on an entirely new folder, not the already existing folder that has Kodama in it.
Yeah, but this is live stream Kadama. I think this is a new one, right?
Yeah, it's a new folder. So I should just do it in here, right?
No, 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 no. Like in that one
It,
is
it's a
okay.
separate
You can,
it's a
yeah,
separate
yeah,
example, right?
yeah. Run code
Okay,
dot
Okay.
so
to open a Visual Studio Code there.
okay. I haven't actually configured code dots, and I don't know why warp is not saying it. So let me just manually
Uh,
open it like a
yeah,
caveman.
no worries.
Let me open it like a caveman. New file. Sorry, open window, open folder. So just look for the live streams folder, and then yeah, this is
Just
it.
airdrop, airdrop.
There.
Yeah.
Yes. And let me read the error first.
So it says
Yeah. Incorrect program ID declaration in Kadama airdrop Arcan Solana distributors. And yeah, go back to the project to see something. And you have no modules and all that. So if you go to Anchor,
like
no,
the
they're in the folder in the
uh,
project.
okay. Anchor. Okay, here.
Yes, and you check the library, the lib, or the programs probably. Yes, and SRC, lib, Rust. That you can remove that declare ID that you have.
This one.
Yeah, not all, just the ID itself.
Oh, just the ID itself. Okay.
Yeah, you can replace it with a bunch of ones, like number
Uh
one.
oh, for like the default Solana
Yeah,
thing. Okay.
yeah.
Wait, how many ones do I have to type there?
Uh, let's just stop to that.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, now save it and run Kodama generate again. PMPM Kodama.
Okay. Okay, it didn't fail this time, so that's a good sign. It didn't fail
Yep.
at first try.
Oh,
Oh, nice. Okay. This is going well.
Yeah, that's. I mean, that declare ID, the ID itself should be a placeholder ID. It shouldn't be a real one because it's going to fail like this. I need
Mm.
to fix that.
But wait, though, with that ID though, how do you get it? Is it randomly generated, or do you is it a DevNet address or something?
Yes, it's a DevNet address.
Okay.
And,
Yeah,
and
I
we're
do have
going
one.
to generate a new one right now.
Okay, got it. So
I
a
think,
bunch of warnings, and then
yeah,
it failed at the end.
yeah, but
oh no.
it's done. I think.
Oh, it's done.
Yes, I think you have go up a bit just to check. No, like in the terminal. Go up. I want to check because you probably have the. Oh no,
Oh,
ID. Hmm.
That's a lot of errors.
okay. So it's saying cannot find value ID in this scope. Okay, pub key array is not 32 bits long. What array though?
Yeah, probably we need to add like the long. You can add more
Oh, right.
ones,
Yeah.
and then
So
tab.
I should add the amount of I should change this to like a bunch of
Yeah,
ones then.
Questions.
Yeah,
with
but
that,
how do I accurately track this though?
delete it, and Copilot will complete it.
Okay, okay. Uh
One.
Copilot Copilot is not okay.
There it is.
Copilot, do it for me. Thank you. Okay, so let's
It's
do it. Let's
it's
do it
it's
again.
an error actually, but let's see.
Okay.
Should work now.
Should
Thank you, Cargo Dev, for the support. Cargo Dev IDL isn't as simple as ABI. IDL is painful. Okay, so okay.
yes, it works.
Now yeah. Yay, all clients generated successfully.
Yeah, I need to fix
No,
that.
so now we
And
just
now we can run the second command. That's airdrop
airdrop
setup.
setup. Yeah,
Yes,
right?
but before that, let's just give it a look to the generated folder that we have right there.
Okay.
That's the Kodama generated uh, functions that we have. So we have the instructions, the accounts. So we have these different functions. The instructions are the functions that are coming from the Anchor program. So we have a
Mm-hmm.
claim airdrop function. This is all generated for it. Initialize
Nice.
airdrop.
And this is all from like Codama.
Yes, exactly. So basically,
Oh
we
wow.
can now import this in our application, which we did. We're going to give it a look later. But this way, we're going to be able to interact with this program that we will deploy in a second. So
Yo, this is dope. All of this is generated code.
yeah. So
Wow. It's really cool.
these are
Wait,
the
like
functions.
does
we're
so
going to
so
deploy.
like so the features for generating docs and CLIs are not ready yet, right? According to your blog.
No, but I mean, this exactly is actually like our program documented because with all these, we can now start interacting with it using type safe
Mm-hmm.
functions.
Yeah, true.
So it's not like specific documentation like a README with all that, but that will
But
be
it's
uh,
it's kind of like your program, but in like a documented version that you can use in
exactly.
like in Next.js or in Node.js or something else. Okay, that makes sense.
Exactly.
Okay. So now we just run airdrop setup now to set up the
Yes.
program. Okay.
Yes. Basically, what this will do is to deploy the Anchor program that we just
Okay.
built.
Okay.
We'll also can create like, well, let's give it a look.
Yeah, I do have
You,
uh
you, you do not have, or you probably you don't want to add your private key here. You can create a new one. I think that's the first one because it's. I mean,
yeah, but I do have a DevNet wallet though. Can I use that?
yeah, but you'll have to paste like the private key line.
Oh,
And
no, I'm not doing that. Yeah. So
no.
create a new wallet.
Create a new one.
Okay. So wait, what is automatic airdrop failed? Please fund
Probably
manually.
let's go up a bit. Oh, too
It
many
said to
requests.
fund.
You have asked for Solana airdrop like lately? Have you? Yeah.
Yeah, I actually have. But I can fund the wallet with like the Solana
Oh yeah,
what's it
yeah.
called? With the
That
Solana online faucet.
that's okay. You can fund it like later.
Yeah. Solana devlet faucet. Do I still have my GitHub connected? Amount. Just give me 5 souls. Okay.
Guess you have to paste it again.
What is happening right now, bro?
I don't know. Did you just clone the address that you got from there? Yeah,
Wait.
I mean, you just copy, like you know.
Yeah, I did. Okay,
Oh, there it
so
is.
something is wrong with their UI.
Yeah.
uh, okay, verify. Yeah, I'm human, of
Are
course.
you
I'm not an
human?
AI. I'm not an AI agent.
Who knows? Who knows? No.
So I think it has been funded, but although it's asking me, okay,
What's the
automatic
next?
airdrop failed, but then it was asking how many wallets do I want to create. All
Uh,
right, I do see that. So
three.
just
I
one
mean, those wallets are test wallets. Basically,
wallets. Okay,
what it is going to do is an airdrop, and you're going to distribute the locked amount into these other
three
wallets. You can
wallets.
it. They can be three, one, whatever. They will take the yeah.
Okay, let me
The,
just press enter then.
yep.
Okay, so but how about this airdrop that failed now? Do I need to do anything to this, or
No,
do I
no, no,
just
no.
ignore that?
Because it'll
Okay.
it'll take like the five so
Mm-hmm.
that you just got. It will
Yeah.
distribute it like
Distribute
zero
it.
point
Okay.
0.1
Okay.
to the
Okay. That makes
wallet.
sense. That's
Yeah,
really cool, to be honest.
yeah.
So okay, back here now. Uh, s- airdrop setup. So the same command will create a deployment wallet and fund generate test wallet, update or configure, generate the Merkle tree. Yeah, just like we saw, right? Um,
Exactly.
okay, so the Merkle tree handles like the airdrop distribution.
Yes, that's
Mm,
another interesting point of this because basically what this is going to do is to when we created the program, we generated a Merkle tree with
yeah,
when right now when we set up the program before deploying
yeah,
it. So this
okay,
Merkle tree includes the three wallets that we generated, like
mm-hmm,
the residents for the airdrop,
yeah,
and and also includes like the uh, authority wallet, which is you because you are deploying it like the one you use to deploy
mm,
the program.
okay,
And
okay,
what we store on chain is only the root of the Merkle tree. So you could have like
mm,
hundreds of recipients and only store the root. And then in the front end, what we do is to create a proof. And the way we create the proof is basically generating the path from that leaf of the Merkle tree
yeah,
to the root.
it's root node, yeah,
Yeah, so yeah, that's how this works basically. And right
ah,
now I think the build, the setup command worked, right?
yeah,
It's
it did.
nice. Yeah, let's deploy the program. Let's say yes to that one
So
that you
in
have,
it,
right? No, no, no. You have
It
oh yeah,
another.
didn't set a
yeah, my bad.
command.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Yes. And yes.
Ah, I
Great.
see what you were saying. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Now I distributed it amongst three wallets. This is dope.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have 4.70 so for fees and buffer remaining. Okay, 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 okay. Very detailed login. I like this.
Yes.
So deploying program with Gil. So Gil handles like deployment, or what does Gil do specifically?
Basically, basically, Gil, what we're using it for is okay. Wait a second. Sí, pasa. So basically, Gil is the library that we're using to interact with the programs
Okay,
that we created. We can
okay,
use it from any. I mean, I am doing it in this case from the server, but you could do
yeah.
it in the front end for sure.
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
and this is actually like the new I don't know, like the new tool for Solana instead of using Web3,
Anchor.
Solana Web3, yeah, yes. So yes. No,
Oh, okay,
Anchor,
wait. Anchor is a
Anchor is
framework on it too.
for Rust. Exactly.
Oh, okay. So Gil is like a newer SDK instead of using the Web3.
Exactly.
Okay, makes sense then. Okay, that
Exactly.
makes sense.
So it worked. We deployed our program. Now we can just run airdrop in it.
Oh, airdrop in it, sorry. Yeah,
Yes.
airdrop in it then before dev. So
Yes.
initialize the on-chain airdrop state and make it ready for claiming.
Exactly.
So cargo dev said when dev.to blog. I'm working on this cargo dev. And they said Gil is like VM for us. Yeah,
Exactly. Exactly.
yeah. Cool, cool there. Like that makes sense. So check-in,
So, yep.
program ID, authority. Okay. Also like the PDAs, yeah, PDA address. Um, drop initialization completed. Now all we need to do is test claiming with the front end. So the front end server is live right now, or do we need to pm dev first?
Yeah, you need to be npm.
And this dev command is running what exactly? Where is it running? Okay, wait, I
The
just
dev,
saw this generated.
yeah, the dev command is actually going to run the dev command from next. So it'll just run the Next.js application.
Ah, okay, I see it here. This is the
Yeah,
Next.js app. Okay, okay,
yeah.
okay.
What we can do is to see how we are using the functions right here, like the one generated from Codama.
Okay, so the application opened on my other tab. So let me just bring it to this screen. Give me a sec. Open in space. Okay, so this is it.
Yes. So right now, if what you can do right here is just click the claim merge. Open the console just to make sure we see. Well, I think it'll work already. What we're doing here is just calling the program, and we are using your private key, which you just generated. Okay, great. You
It was
claimed the
pretty successful.
airdrop. Yes.
Oh,
And we're using
nice.
your private key to sign the transaction, actually.
Ah, interesting. All of this is happening like programmatically.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
so dope. So
It's
the
If you
so the,
paint
the
that signature in the solo scan, you'll see the transaction actually. Like the signature you have right there, that one.
this one. Okay.
You have it like at the end of that object signature.
Uh, yeah, right
Yes.
there.
All scan, I guess. Yes.
Yeah, so it's gone. Oh my god. So
Well, now that we're here,
actually,
We might as
shout
well
out to
just do the
Solana student.
promo.
Yeah, shout out to Solana students Africa. Yo, Miawi, what's up? Do you want to come up, Miawi? There's still like there's still like some time if you want to come up. Give me a sec. So I just
uh,
like search for this dark mode
Sure.
always.
yes.
Search.
Oh, but this is DevNet, is it?
Oh,
Yes.
oh,
Yeah,
is
we
this
need
DevNet though?
to look for DevNet. Is it?
No, I don't think it's DevNet. So how do I
No.
switch though? Um,
Probably it's another link. You have to look for
oh yeah,
source
that's true. Yeah.
name.
So
Oh,
scan DevNet.
yep.
Oh, I found it
Nice.
Oh,
2 minutes ago.
with
Wow.
So
Okay.
yeah,
So we can we see details of this transaction though. So interacted with this. So input accounts were so were these the three accounts you generated? Um
yes,
ah wait for you. Let me check them out.
yeah.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
No,
They
I,
were right here. Just
went past them.
there.
I did. Okay. Transfer
Sending
to this one. Transfer to this one and transfer to this one. So 86. Oh, I saw that one.
it's
3V.
Yeah,
Wait, but wait, there are like some new accounts though. Like for example, this one is not there.
it.
AK. Wait, they are different though. Like a bit.
It's if you
Okay, wait, these
go.
are the wallets. Yeah, these are three of
Yeah,
them.
those are the ones. If you go, I mean, input accounts. This is
Where? Where? Oh, you mean like I should search for it?
yes. No, there are too many.
Yeah. Uh, I found.
Probably
Wait.
paste those that like the ones you have in the
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
there exactly. Well, that one is there. We know, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not finding it.
Well, but if you go to the anchor, let's go to the anchor folder there, and then you can check test wallets.json. It's down there.
Oh, okay.
And like that's the byte array, but not that one. Yes. So there
Hmm.
you have all the you
Test
can
wallet.
option shift F to format that.
Oh, okay.
That's one. Those
We
are
Ah,
already
the
okay.
confirmed.
yeah, those are the wallets that we actually use. Okay, but that one's not there.
This one also. I think it changed them for some reason.
Hmm. Yeah.
But we have address. Let me just search for the address key. Yeah, so this is the other wallet, and then this is the
Uh.
last one. So
Yeah.
HQ. So they're like different for some reason. But it did do the airdropping, which was like super cool.
Yeah.
And then this was the amount he gave to each one. Or no, this is the amount in total.
Uh, wait. I think
No
the
problem.
86U wallet is the
Main wallet.
address. The
The
yes,
deployer.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
because that is a
Oh
signer
yeah.
and fee payer.
Oh, you know what? I think the other two are the program. Those are not like the receivers because here what we are doing
Ah,
is
that's true,
in,
yeah.
instead of just having functions, we have program derived addresses. So these addresses are
They're
the
derived.
exactly.
Oh yeah, see, I remember that when I was reading the Solana docs. That makes sense
Hmm.
actually. So yeah, there's like three accounts like that I actually need to like work
Yeah.
with to enable transactions. That makes sense.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, this is
So
cool.
basically, now if you go, let's go to the project.
Okay.
Uh, you have you can look for. I think you have here a private key, but there are like a secret key. Look for a secret key here in this.
Okay.
Yes, and like the base 58. Copy that one,
Okay.
like the private key. I don't know if we already mint with this one, but let's go back to the front end. Like here, you're in the anchor folder. Let's go to the app folder in the project.
The
Oh,
project
okay,
on
okay.
VSCode.
Yeah,
So where
yeah.
do I go?
Here in the .env.local. This is all auto generated. That's why you here in the user private key, remove that one and paste the other one. You should be able to claim the airdrop again with this new wallet.
So
So
I just need
say,
to like refresh this.
yeah, refresh and now claim again. Already
Oh wait, it
claimed.
said already claimed. Oh wait, what I copied was secret key though, instead of should I have copied private key?
I guess it's the secret key. But
Yeah,
let's.
but this is private.
Is
This
it
is
the
yeah,
same?
it was
That
I'm not sure if they are the same. Like where did I copy from again? So test wallets. So what I copied was this base 58 one.
yes.
No. Okay.
Um, uh, Go down a bit because you are going to have the other two wallets, other two secret keys.
Okay. This is another one.
Yeah, copy the second one. Could be yes. So this one shouldn't be claimed already. And remove
Yeah.
the yeah
Yeah.
reload
Okay.
or let's
Wow,
no. You
all
know
of them
what's
are like
happening? You have to stop the server and run it again.
okay. Okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yep.
Okay.
It's working.
Yeah, it
Yes.
is. Okay, Meow, there, yeah, definitely for sure. Looking forward to that.
Awesome.
Okay.
I think you got it.
Yes, so the claim results came back.
Yeah,
Signature, the amount. Amount in what though? What is this? It's like
that's Lampert. So basically, that's 0.075. So
oh
I think,
Lampert. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So Lamberts is like a smaller um version of
Unit.
Soul, right?
So yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So it's like a way, the way we have way, I think,
Yeah,
for
on ETH.
Ethereum. Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, this
So
is cool.
yes, let's check this uh also on
On
the,
Soul Scan.
yeah, in SoulScan,
Uh,
You need to
like this
grab the
signal,
signature.
signature. Yeah.
because probably we have the derived addresses that are going to be the same, I guess. Yes
Mm,
or no? Probably.
I mean, I
But
think they are
this,
different. These
yeah,
two, but I
yeah,
think this should be the actual one, the signer one,
yeah, that's
and fee payer.
exactly.
Yeah. Okay, makes sense now. Okay. Whoa, this was like a really cool stream, to be honest.
Yeah,
Cardano
Wow.
is good.
yeah, it's not.
And it's fast too, like the speed, like everything was just happening so
Unexpected.
quickly. Like, yeah,
Like
you were
the
saying,
speed was unexpected. We were supposed to
yeah,
stay here for like extra hours just waiting for things to download and all.
yeah, exactly. Wow, this is cool, to be honest. Thank you so much actually for putting this together, Alejandro, and even for joining the stream, because yeah, I definitely learned a lot today. I can testify to that.
Yeah,
What do you
always
think?
happy to.
What do you think, Claire? Yeah, thank you, Alejandro. What do you think, Claire?
This has been great. This has been so great. Like I haven't touched um crypto code or I have not ever coded Solana, and I just saw like a lot of things that happening directly on Solana, which is like super great. And Codama is like a really really cool tool, and the fact that it actually generated a lot of code for us in real time and at that speed too was like so amazing. And the documentation it was like really great. It was just confusing at some points because like we had to go to GitHub to like actually set some things up. So if it was like a lot more detailed, that would
Yeah,
be like great for anyone
Yeah,
looking to get started.
yeah, like a CLI tool. We are amazing DevX. A CLI tool that you
Yes.
just like tell a bunch of stuff. The way you can set up like a next project. Imagine if you set up your Anchor program with Codama in it as an optional thing. That would be dope, to be honest.
Directly.
yeah,
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, this is cool. Like, to be honest, like really cool stuff, and it's amazing that there's something like this even exists. Um, for programs and stuff. So yeah, this was like a really fun stream, to be honest. So yeah, I think I think we can actually close the stream here. It's been almost 2 hours. So we need to like enjoy the weekend and
The
stuff.
rest of our
So
weekend. Yes.
yeah,
sure.
so we're going to like start signing out now. So from my end, thank you all for actually joining the stream. Thank you for learning about Kodama with us with Alejandro's blog. We were lucky enough to also bring Alejandro in. So this was a fun stream for me. What do you have to say, Claire and Alejandro?
Thank you guys for joining, and thank you, Alejandro, for joining us here. It was super, super fun learning about Codama and actually practicing it in real time. And thank you for joining us and creating this amazing documentation that makes it super easy for people to get started. Thank you to the
Yeah,
viewers for joining my very first stream with Tobi. I'm so glad. I'm so glad it was so fun because imagine we
yeah,
were just talking and not doing anything, you know? But yeah, thank you guys for joining.
yeah. How about you,
Yeah,
Alejandro?
thank you. I think it was amazing feedback, and yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do yet on Solana, but we will be working on that for sure. Thank you,
Okay, awesome. So
and
yeah,
thank
this
you
was like
for having
yeah,
me.
go ahead. Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure. Thank you for being here. Like it was you that actually made it happen, because if you were not like available or something, like
Could
we would
have
have had to
broken
like
everything.
so
well,
yeah,
it
thank you for
always
joining
happens
the
like
stream. Thank you. So yeah, shout out to like everyone watching us on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube. So thank you all for being here today. So the new stream vibe is going to be me, Emmanuel, and Claire on Saturdays. Alejandro would maybe drop in on another weekend if we are struggling with something. So yeah, thank you all for watching always. So catch you same time, same places next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Go and touch grass. Don't be like me, and yeah, don't be like me, and don't be like us. All right, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.